Common nutritional problems. Nutritional problems. Protein energy malnutrition, micronutrient deficiency such as vitamin A deficiency, iron deficiency anemia, iodine deficiency disorders, and vitamin B complex deficiencies are the nutrition problems frequently encountered, particularly among the rural poor and urban slum communities. Undernutrition. Undernutrition starts as early as during conception. Because of extensive maternal undernutrition, that is, the woman may be underweight, poor weight gain during pregnancy, or nutritional anemia and vitamin deficiencies. If these problems are there in the mother, then about 22% of the infants are born with low birth weight. Clinical and subclinical clinical undernutrition are widely prevalent even during early childhood and adolescence, though the prevalence of these florid forms of severe PEM, that is protein energy malnutrition, like kwashiorkor and marasmus, among preschool children is of long duration. Flowchart: Persistent undernutrition throughout the growing phase of childhood leads to short stature in adults. About 33% of adult men and 36% of the women have a body to mass index (BMI), that is the weight in kg divided by height in meters square, below 18.5, which indicates chronic energy deficiency or CED. Vitamin A disease. In the case of vitamin A deficiency, 0.8 to 1% of preschool children show the signs of Bitot spot and night blindness. Vitamin A deficiency also increases the risk of disease and death. The symptoms of vitamin A deficiency are dry skin, dry eyes, delayed growth, poor wound healing, and night blindness. Foods rich in vitamin A. These foods must be consumed in larger amount to reduce the deficiency of vitamin A. For example, liver, cantaloupe, apricot, tuna, mackerel, broccoli, butternut squash, romaine lettuce, and salmon as food. There are more of them written below. Anemic. Among children between the ages of 6 and 59 months, a majority, that is 70%, are anemic. Nearly three-fourths of women in India are anemic, with the prevalence of moderate to severe anemia being highest among pregnant women. It is estimated that the nutritional anemia contributes to about 24% of maternal deaths every year and is one of the most causes of low birth weight. It adversely affects work output among adults and learning ability in children born. Iodine deficiency. Iodine deficiency disorders, that's in short IDD, are very common among large sections of population in several parts of the country. About 167 million are estimated to be living in IDD endemic areas. Iodine deficiency causes goiter, that is the enlargement of the thyroid gland in the neck, neonatal hypothyroidism, that is hypothyroidism in babies, cretinism among newborns, mental retardation, delayed motor development, stunting, that is low height, deaf mutism, and neuromuscular disorders. Consequences. The most important consequence of iodine deficiency in mothers is cretinism, in which the children suffer from mental and growth retardation right from birth. About 90,000 stillbirths and neonatal deaths occur every year due to maternal iodine deficiency. The iodine deficiency symptoms are fatigue, cold sensitivity, dry skin, constipation, thinning of hair, impaired memory, weight loss, muscle aches, impaired vision, and goiter.